If your T-Mobile home internet has been lagging, dropping connection, or just acting strange, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you the exact steps to reset your T-Mobile home internet, both the quick soft reset and the full factory reset. Stick with me till the end so you know which method to use and how to get your network running smoothly again. Let's jump right in. First, the soft reset. This is the fastest and safest fix for most issues. All you need to do is unplug the power cord from your T-Mobile home internet gateway. Once it's unplugged, wait about 30 seconds. This gives the system enough time to clear temporary glitches. After that, plug the power cord back in and let the gateway start up. You'll know it's ready when the lights stop blinking and stabilize. This type of reset is perfect if you're experiencing slow speeds, minor connection drops, or unusual lag. Now, if the soft reset didn't do the job, it might be time for a hard reset or factory reset. Find the small pinhole reset button on the back or bottom of your gateway. Grab a paper clip or a pin, gently push it in, and hold for about 10 to 15 seconds. When you see the lights flash, release it. That means the gateway is rebooting from scratch. But here's the warning. A hard reset wipes everything. That includes your custom Wi-Fi name, password, and any settings you changed. So only use this option if the soft reset didn't fix the problem. Once your gateway restarts, there are a few quick things you'll need to do. Reconnect your devices using the default Wi-Fi name and password. They're printed right on the label of your gateway. Then, open the T-Mobile Internet app to check your connection status. From there, you can rename your Wi-Fi network, set a new password, and update any preferences you had before. Finally, run a quick speed test inside the app to make sure everything is performing the way it should. And that's it. You now know how to soft reset and factory reset your T-Mobile home internet. If this guide helped you out, go ahead and hit like, subscribe, and drop any questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.